Addiction doesn't just affect the individual addict. It affects children, families, and entire communities. To my right is a display of artwork submitted by patients in treatment or those who have completed treatment programs funded by the County of San Diego. Through their art, the former users are apologizing to their friends and families for the hurt that addiction has caused them. They are also thanking those that have provided support and helped them begin and finish the path to recovery.
I started using marijuana and alcohol at the age of 12. And when I was 15, I got pregnant, and I had a baby at 16. And I dragged my children through addiction. I had another son when she was 4, and I dragged both of them through my addiction. My son and my daughter were going through their own battles with drugs, and it was very painful for me to watch. I knew what to do, and I did it, and my daughter shortly after followed me into treatment, and this is where we're at today.
I was born into addiction because of my mom, and it seemed pretty normal to me. 11 or 12, I started smoking pot, and I started drinking. I started using meth. I met this, I was 14, and this guy was 38 years old, and I started using meth with him. I got a 0.04 GPA in high school, and then I transitioned to a home school so that I have more time to use, because school was taking up my time to get high, and I didn't have time for school, and I didn't have time for family, and I didn't have time for friends, so I lost all of that. Then I dropped out of school. Crossroads Foundation is where I built my foundation for my life, and I have all the girls here from the house to support me and the staff members, and that place is where I learned to become a woman, and and I learned to take care of my daughter, and I learned to love my mom, and I learned how to stay clean and treat myself with respect, and to love myself, and to love my kid, and to be a good sister, and I got a job there. My destiny was to use drugs the rest of my life, and I didn't want to get clean. I just wanted to die loaded. It's going to be the greatest thing. I see people like 50 years old on drugs, and I was like, if I could last that long, that'd be so cool. And I couldn't. It was beating me down, and so I'm just really grateful to be here today, and I hope that that the message is clear, that there is a possibility for people to be clean and sober today. And that's all I have to say. Thank you.
Drug addiction dramatically shifts a person's attention and priorities. We know that. To drug abusers, their job, their children, their family, and their friends often lose relevance. For drug addicts, their primary concern and top priority is scoring the next high. If you have an alcohol or substance abuse problem, seek help today. Call 211 or call our county crisis line at 800-479-3339. Again, 800-479-3339, and begin to turn your life around. Recovery is possible. Treatment works. Thank you.